Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet and you need to do a hard reset on it, but the screen is locked and you do not have the pin code. We can actually bypass that pin code and delete it off the tablet. Now this is also going to wipe everything else off the tablet, but if you're ready to do that, it's pretty simple to do. All we need to do is we're going to start with the tablet being turned off. And from there, we're going to press and hold the power button and the volume up button. Just keeping in mind, on this tablet, it's actually the volume up button is actually the button that's closer to the power button. So it's kind of almost looks like what would be volume down here. Anyways, we're just going to press and hold those buttons and just keep holding it until the device turns on. And it will turn on into a menu that looks like this. And we're going to toggle down to wipe data. Again, using the volume keys, toggle down to the wipe data factory reset button and hit the power button to select. From there, we're going to toggle down to this on the Amazon Fire. This doesn't say cancel factory data reset. It just says yes, no. You're going to toggle down to yes and hit the power button. And to confirm, keeping in mind that once you hit that power button, everything will be deleted off your screen. It's going to take a minute or so to go through the wiping process. And while you're waiting, you can think about if you're interested in getting a new credit card, because Chase is giving away $200 free just for signing up for a credit card. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. But anyways, once it finishes that, it will take you to back to this recovery screen. You can click a reboot system now. The tablet will turn off and turn back on like it was when it came out of the box.